Here are the unique 17 uses for Vaseline that will transform your routine. Perfume enhancer. First up, make your perfume last longer. Dab a bit of Vaseline on your pulse points before spraying your perfume. It helps the scent stay with you all day. You'll notice a big difference. Highlighter substitute. Need a quick highlighter? Use a small amount of Vaseline on your cheekbones and brow bones. It gives you a natural, dewy glow without needing extra products. Try it and see the shine. Lipstick stain remover. Struggling with leftover lipstick? Apply some Vaseline to your lips. Let it sit for a few minutes, and then wipe it off. It works wonders. You'll love how clean your lips feel. Taming eyebrows. Keep your eyebrows in place with a little Vaseline. Just smooth it over your brows for a neat, polished look. Your brows will stay put all day. DIY lip scrub. Mix Vaseline with sugar to make a simple lip scrub. Rub it on your lips and rinse off. Your lips will feel incredibly smooth. It's an easy way to exfoliate. Preventing hair dye stains. Before you dye your hair, apply Vaseline around your hairline. It prevents those pesky dye stains on your skin. Clean and simple. Cuticle care. Massage Vaseline into your cuticles to keep them soft and prevent hangnails. It's a simple way to take care of your nails. Healthy cuticles make a difference. Protecting skin from windburn. In cold, windy weather, protect your skin by applying Vaseline to exposed areas. It acts as a barrier against the elements. Keep your skin safe and smooth. Smoothing split ends. Tame those split ends with a little Vaseline. Rub a tiny amount on the tips of your hair to reduce frizz. Your hair will look smoother instantly. Eyelash conditioner. For fuller lashes, apply Vaseline to your eyelashes before bed. It conditions and strengthens them over time. You'll notice healthier lashes with regular use. DIY cream blush. Create your own cream blush by mixing Vaseline with your favorite lipstick. It blends easily and gives a nice, natural color. A quick and easy blush solution. Softening rough elbows and knees. Rub Vaseline onto rough areas like elbows and knees before bed. Wake up to softer, smoother skin. It's a simple addition to your nighttime routine. Protecting skin during manicure. Before painting your nails, apply Vaseline around them. It prevents polish from sticking to your skin and makes cleanup easier. Enjoy a clean manicure every time. DIY lip gloss. Mix Vaseline with a bit of powdered eyeshadow to create a custom lip gloss. It's moisturizing, shiny, and totally unique. Make your own gloss at home. Removing stuck rings. Got a stuck ring? Apply Vaseline around the base. It helps the ring slide off easily. No more struggle with tight rings. Preventing lipstick feathering. Keep your lipstick from feathering by applying Vaseline around the edges of your lips before your lipstick. It keeps everything in place. Enjoy a flawless lip look. And there you have it, 17 unique beauty uses for Vaseline. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more beauty hacks. See you in the next video.